welcome to our channel Creative Juices. Let me introduce myself first. I am Saket and my sister Khwaish will make videos on this channel like science experiments and models. Let's start. Today I am making a waterfall to decorate our home. We need a small stones like this. Or we need a cardboard and paste a sheet on it. Let's start. Take the hot we have painted that through the main part of waterfall to make water. Like this, we have to make 5-6 lines like this, and when it dry, put it on the waterfall. Let paint it blue color.